People with higher levels of omega-3 fatty acids in their bodies are less likely to suffer from major depressive disorder. The strongest association with a lower risk of depression was found for eicosapentaenoic acid, a long-chain omega-3 fatty acid. The findings were published in the journal Translational Psychiatry. Omega-3 fatty acids are a group of essential polyunsaturated fats that are essential for maintaining overall health. The three main types are alpha-linolenic acid ALA, found in plant oils such as flaxseed and chia seeds, eicosapentaenoic acid EPA and docosahexaenoic acid DHA, found mostly in marine oils such as fish and algae. These fatty acids are vital for brain function, reduce inflammation, and support heart health. Since the human body cannot efficiently manufacture omega-3 fatty acids, they must be obtained through diet or supplements. Studies have linked omega-3 fatty acids to a number of health benefits, including a reduced risk of chronic diseases like heart disease and potential relief from symptoms of depression and anxiety. While ALA can be converted into other types of omega-3 fatty acids, these processes tend to be variable and relatively inefficient due to competition for metabolic pathways with other fatty acids, particularly omega-6 fatty acids. Study author Rebecca Carnegie and her colleagues set out to explore the relationship between omega-3 fatty acids in the body and recurrent depression, also known as major depressive disorder with recurrent episodes. This mental health condition is characterized by multiple episodes of depression over time, each lasting at least 2 weeks. These episodes include persistent feelings of sadness, loss of interest or pleasure in activities, changes in appetite or sleep, and difficulties thinking or concentrating that significantly impact daily functioning. The researchers conducted a Mendelian randomization study using data from 2 sources, the UK Biobank, which included 115,078 people, and the Psychiatric Genomics Consortium Genome-Wide Association Study SQUAS, which included 430,775 people, and recurrent depression, which included 80,933 people. They identified genetic variants associated with the metabolism, transport, and synthesis of omega-3 fatty acids in the body and used these variants to estimate omega-3 fatty acid levels. Although omega-3 fatty acids are mainly obtained through the diet, their efficiency and utilization and their levels in the body can be influenced by specific genetic factors. The results of the study showed that people with higher genetic levels of omega-3 fatty acids had a slightly lower risk of developing major depressive disorder. In contrast, higher genetic levels of omega-6 fatty acids were not associated with an increased risk of developing major depressive disorder. A similar pattern was observed for recurrent depression. People with higher genetic levels of omega-3 fatty acids were less likely to suffer from recurrent depression. The largest effects on these risk reductions were attributed to eicosapentaenoic acid. Our results provide evidence for a link between genetically predicted omega-3 fatty acids and major depressive disorder (MDD). The effect appears to be strongest for EPA eicosapentaenoic acid, remains robust for biologically related fats, and is not explained by reverse causality omega-3 fatty acids affecting depression, rather than depression affecting omega-3 fatty acid levels, the study authors concluded. While the study highlights the potential role of omega-3 fatty acids in depression, the observed effects were relatively small, suggesting that the role of omega-3 fatty acids in the development of depression may be minor. Additionally, the study's focus on individuals of European ancestry may limit the generalizability of the findings to other populations. In addition, the exact levels of EPA and DHA were not directly measured in all cases, requiring the use of proxy data, which may lead to some inaccuracy. The possibility of polymorphism where genetic variants affect multiple traits also complicates the interpretation of causal relationships.